Want to cut your Flux.1 Kontext generation time in half without losing quality? Today, I'm showing you how to use the Flux.1 Turbo-Alpha LoRA to drop your step count from 30 down to just 8. I'm South 2025, and let's make your workflow lightning fast. If you haven't installed Flux.1 Kontext yet, check my previous guide linked in the description. For this speed hack, you only need one new file, the Turbo-Alpha LoRA. First, download the diffusion PyTorch model.safetensors from the link below. Save it into your ComfyUI/models/loras folder. Rename it to Flux.1 Turbo-Alpha.safetensors so you don't confuse it with other models. All links and my final workflow file are waiting for you in the description. To show you the difference, open our image edit with Flux.1 Kontext workflow. Let's run a standard 30-step generation on my RTX 4060 Ti with 16 GB of VRAM. For a 512 width and 768 height image, it takes about average of 45 seconds. We can reduce the generation time, so let's do that. Now let's add the Turbo LoRA. Use the Power LoRa loader by RG3 or any standard LoRA loader. Add the Flux.1 Turbo-Alpha LoRA into the workflow by selecting it from the list. Plug your diffusion model as the model input, and for the model output put in model K-sampler input. For the second input, put dual clip loader clip into the input side and output it to your clip text encode. The final step is in the K-sampler. Change your steps to 8 and set your scheduler to beta. Let's hit Q prompt. After the LoRA loads, generations now take only about 20 seconds. That is a 54% time saving per image. Now check the quality. Here a bunch of comparison of the results. In these comparisons, the results are nearly identical. Sometimes the LoRA actually improves the image, though occasionally it loses a tiny bit of detail. My advice? Start with the 8-step LoRA. If you don't get exactly what you want, tweak the seed or the prompt before you go back to the slow 30-step method. And that's it, high-quality Flux generations in half the time. If this workflow helps you create more art, hit that like button and subscribe for more Flux optimization tips. Check the description for the download link, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy generating, and have a nice day. Please subscribe.